JD Cap 26 here. I just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. This is just a reminder for all you guys that are older and much older that have smartphones and are still learning about smartphones. Most of the problem is, gee, I forgot, to charge my phone. Okay, and I'm in my car and I have my phone. It's not charged. Okay, very simplistic. This is this video. Okay. Take your charging cord with you all the time. If you have a newer car, or you can look up online and see if your car has a USB port. That's this thing right here. This plugs into your car, this port, okay? If it doesn't go in one way, don't force it. It goes the other way, okay? The other end goes into your phone at the bottom, okay? This is called a lightning cable, okay? And you plug it in and you charged it. You charge it up. You can use it while it's being charged, okay? This is for emergency cases that, again, you forgot to charge your phone. You need your phone. You need access to your phone, okay? And you can call for help if you have a flat tire. You can call AAA or whatever. So I want to do this video because many people don't know, gee, I just bought a new car and I don't know where the port is. Ask your dealer. Look it up in your book. It should be somewhere on your console, nearby, the port for this USB. This goes for not only iPhone, it goes for Android and the other phones, okay? So that's why I want to do this video. It's very important. You don't want to get stuck out in the cold and not have a phone to call for help, even though there's a lot of good Samaritans out there that'll help you. So that's the video for today. I thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for new videos. And have a good day. Thank you.